15 conditions requisite for initiation of proceedings. For initiation of proceedings section 210 से 222. Look, which chapter of the BNSS contains provisions regarding conditions requisite for initiation of proceeding? Chapter 15. Which of the following section of BNSS defines term cognizance? Cognizance किस पे define किया गया हुआ है? Cognizance is not defined. Which section of the BNSS deals with the cognizance of offence by magistrate? Cognizance taken by the magistrate जो होगा वो हो जाएगा section 210. Cognizance by magistrate section 210. A magistrate may take cognizance of an offence on police report, on complaint filed by a person authorized under any special law. All the above. In scrutiny of a complaint, the Patma question, in scrutiny of a complaint, the magistrate does the following. The magistrate may look into the complaint and send it to the police for investigation. Which court may take cognizance of offences under section 210 of the BNSS? Option D. Any magistrate of the first class, any magistrate of the second class specifically empowered in this. कौन सा मैजिस्ट्रेट जो है सेक्शन 210 में कॉग्निजेंस ले सकता है? कोई भी मैजिस्ट्रेट जो कि फर्स्ट क्लास हो और कोई भी सेकंड क्लास मैजिस्ट्रेट जो empowered हो. Under BNSS section 210 का 2, who may empower magistrate of second class to take cognizance of the offences? कौन empower करेगा? JM second class magistrate को कौन empower करेगा? तो CGM. CGM will empower judicial magistrate second class take cognizance. Magistrate may take cognizance of an offence on complaint if in his opinion there is a sufficient ground for proceeding. अगर वहां पे sufficient ground for proceeding है तो magistrate may take cognizance. Which section of the BNSS provides for transfer of case on application of accused? केस को ट्रांसफर कर दिया जाए एक्यूज के एप्लीकेशन के द्वारा तो हो जाएगा सेक्शन 211. Under section 211, the case will be transferred to such magistrate as may be specified by chief judicial magistrate. Which section, question number 11, which section of the BNSS provides for making over the case of chief judicial magistrate to the magistrate? Which section of the BNSS provides for making over the case of chief judicial magistrate to magistrate? Option D, section 212. मेकिंग ओवर बोलते हैं मेक ओवर कर देना. द केस अगर आपके जुरिडिक्शन का नहीं है या आप ऑथराइज नहीं है तो दैट विल बी मेक ओवर टू द चीफ जुडिशियल मैजिस्ट्रेट. Chief Judicial Magistrate may make over the case of for inquiry or trial any competent magistrate subordinate to be under section 200. 212 के अंदर में 200 212 के अंदर में चीफ सीजीएम जो है वो किसी को मेक ओवर कर देगा कोई भी केस जो कि इम्पावर होगा आफ्टर टेकिंग कॉग्निजेंस लेकर वो मेक ओवर कर देगा. Which section of the BNSS restricts the court of session from taking cognizance of any offence as court of original jurisdiction unless the case has been committed to it by a magistrate? 213. In which of the following cases the sessions court cannot take cognizance of any offence committed by or against a public servant as a court of original jurisdiction? All the above. Which one of the following is true about the sessions court? Can take cognizance only on committal. सेशन कोर्ट जो है कॉग्निजेंस कब लेगा? ओनली ऑन कमिटल. कोई भी केस जब कमिट होगा तब सेशन कोर्ट जो है वो कॉग्निजेंस लेगा. द क्वेश्चन 16, द प्रोविजन रिलेटिंग टू प्रोसिक्यूशन फॉर कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ लॉफुल अथॉरिटी ऑफ पब्लिक सर्वेंट फॉर ऑफेंसेस अगेंस्ट पब्लिक जस्टिस एंड फॉर ऑफेंसेस रिलेटिंग टू डॉक्यूमेंट्स given in evidence are provided in section 215 of the BNSS. The provisions of prosecution for contempt of lawful authority of public service for offences against public justice and for relating to documents given as evidence are provided in 215. The provisions of section 215 of the BNSS require a complaint in writing. 18 क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 में हु कैन फाइल कंप्लेंट इन राइटिंग अंडर सेक्शन 215? कौन जो है कंप्लेंट दे सकता है? ऑल द अबव, concerned public servant, some other public servant to whom he is administratively subordinate, some other public servant. 19, which section of the BNSS provides that complaint may be filed by a witness or any other person in relation to the offense under section 232 of BNSS, which is threatening any person to give false evidence? Section 216. Which one of the following sections provide prosecution for offences against a state and for criminal conspiracy to commit such offences? Section 217. Under BNSS, provisions relating to prosecution of judges and public servants is given under Section 218. Under Section 218 of the BNSS, government shall take a decision within a period of dash days from the date of receipt of request for sanction. In case it fails to do so, the sanction shall be deemed to have been according by such government 120 days. No member of the armed forces of the Union shall be arrested for anything done in the discharge of his official duty except after attaining the consent of सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के परमिशन के अलावा आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के खिलाफ कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं अगर वो अपने डिस्चार्ज ऑफ ड्यूटी कर रहा है तो, अपना ड्यूटी अपना कर रहा है तो। विच सेक्शन ऑफ द बीएनएसएस प्रोवाइड्स फॉर प्रोसिक्यूशन फॉर ऑफेंसेस अगेंस्ट मैरिज? सेक्शन 219। प्रोसिक्यूशन फॉर ऑफेंसेस अगेंस्ट मैरिज, सेक्शन 219। अंडर सेक्शन 219 ऑफ द बीएनएसएस, नो कोर्ट can take cognizance of an offense against marriage unless a complaint is made by some person who is aggrieved by the offense. 26. Under section 219, complaint can be made by some other person if the aggrieved person is child or person of unsound mind, having intellectual disability, women who according to the law customs out not to be appear in the public, all the above. According to section 220 of BNSS, court shall take cognizance of an offence punishable under section 85 of the BNS subjecting a married woman to cruelty on see both complaint and police report. According to section 221 of BNSS, court shall take cognizance of an offence punishable under section 67 of the BNSS, sexual intercourse by husband upon his wife during separation. B. Complaint made by the wife. Which section of the BNSS provides for prosecution for defamation? Section 222. Cognizance of the offence of defamation under section 222 of BNSS can be taken on a complaint made by an aggrieved. डिफमेशन का जो केस होगा वो कॉग्निजेंस को कब होगा? जब वो एग्रीव्ड जो है वो केस करेगा। सेक्शन 222 में लिखा हुआ है, सेक्शन 222 डिफेमेशन।